Magandang hapon mga traders ng PSEI. Yesterday we are inside a 3-day range. Ngayon nadagdagan pa ng isa na naman na still inside. Now we have a 4-day range. And still naman our market wasn't really affected ng bear sentiment na meron overall sa world market. But do watch out pa din as advised by most of our experts that we are now in a resistance and we might see this one go down like this in a matter of hindi natin alam kung gaano kalaki ang red candle na yan. Always be prepared, trade cautiously, but for now naman our market has remained strong in the last couple of days and we are seeing this move to whichever direction as long as we are above this one naman, we are above our supports here, then we have a shot of going higher. But watch out na lang din pag nabasag to the downside, then we might rotate lower yet again. Important levels yun pa din, 6,800. Let's move on to our winners. We have Petron Corporation. And na-plot ko na to kanina, inulit ko lang. I have quite a buying signal here dito sa range kasi it broke out from a almost 2 to 3 month na range. And so yun, any retest guys pabalik dito could be a shot higher. Kung gusto nyo bumili ng Petron, we have supports here na nag-form naman, clear supports for as long as 1 year na halos guys na nagsusupport yan. Feel free to buy, put a stop na lang below this one as pag nabasag pa yan, then we can go rotate lower. All in all guys, I am seeing a play kay Petron in the following days. Now we move on to Robinson's Retail. Sabi natin we want this to close above 58, which happened today as this was the highest close since March of 2021. Ito na yung highest close na. So yun na nga guys, we might see this trend higher pa in the following days kasi pasok na siya dito sa range na to. So yun na nga yung first higher target natin ay upper range 60-70 pesos to 72 pesos. Yun, watch na lang si Robinson's Retail kung gusto nyo. Then this could be the potential near-term target. Converge, super stock, wala pang planong tumigil. Since the start of our charting day, sabi lang natin buy Converge, wala pang selling signal. Let's add this 10-day moving average guys. Para lang naman kung bagong pasok lang kayo anywhere dito sa mga to. Then watch out for the break of the 10-day average kasi since dito na move na to, never pa siya nag-close below the 10 average since dito. Since August guys, never pa siya nag-close below the 10-day moving average. Any break ng 10-day moving average could be the sign of our first potential pullback sa stock na to. Take warrants, magulo na yung drawing niyan, hindi na maintindihan. But ipa-plot natin this one as support and as long as we are above this one, then we have a shot of going higher. Below this one could go lower than this one. Okay, next on, RRHI. Wala masyadong galawan dito. So, i-plot ko lang ulit to dito. So, yun pa din yung square natin. Binago ko lang onte as tinakto ko sa pivot level. So, do watch out pag umangat na to above this one. Then, we can have a short-term bounce play as matagal lang ang pababa ito. But, still, baka maging ganito lang yan in the following days bago bumaba na naman as wala pang major bounce na nagaganap at mukhang hindi pa tapos yung downtrend nito. Globe Telecoms, sabi natin dito kay GLO, when it touched the 20 MA could be a nice buying opportunity. Nandun pa din naman, hindi pa nalayo kahit papano. And kung gusto nyo pumasok, pwede lang naman. Just place your stops. I would say this one is a good stop loss point pag nabasag to. It could rotate lower, but since dito pa yan guys, so ano bang price yan? 2,750. Good pa din yan guys, as long as we are above that one. As nakita nyo to na nung bumaba siya dito, madaming buyers. Ito yung mga buyers niyan dito, mga nag-aabang. So si GLO, as long as we are above this one, we have a shot higher in the following days. Moving on to Manila Water Company. So may naganap na selling dito, but this was up by as much as 8% for the day, but 3.54 na lang yung natira. So yun na nga, may selling halos. Kung bumalik man yan dito, then it will be a good buy opportunity as long as we are above, sabihin mo na lang, this swing. So tanggalin ko nga yung drawings natin at gawin na lang natin mas malinaw. Below this swing, lower, this candle could potentially pull back, then pullback will be bought for a shot higher as long as this one is above this one, this swing, then we have a shot of going higher in the following days guys. Century Pacific Foods Inc. and still near the all-time high, but I believe na may pag-dispose si chairman somewhere along dito. Yung previous na CEO yata ng CNPF nagbenta na ng kanyang shares. So yan, baka pinaangat lang para makapagbenta sa top. But it's not yet. It's too early to say na nag-top na si Century Pacific, as good pa naman. This one, it has formed a range 1, 2, 3, 4 and umangat siya doon. Pivot support din na 27. As long as we are above this one, then we can potentially go higher and break this one, yung all-time high niya, 29.60. Maaaring ito ay pullback lang, or maaaring ito ay katapusan na niya para alam niyo na yung next cycle after the markup. Next one is the distribution, but wala pa namang clear sign of distribution, as this one guys bumaba lang ng konti, so potential pullback lang yon, and we'll see in the following days. We now have ABS-CBN, and dito kitang-kita naman yung dirty chart na natin, so tatanggalin ko na yan. And na-spot ko dati si ABS dito as per my indicator back in September 13. Sabi ko nga dati, it formed a pause day bago umangat ng tuluyan, walang tigil na pag-angat. Nag-breakout na on a near swing dito, mga tinapos niyang resistances. Now it's near the kung saan bumagsak ng medyo malaki-laki guys, but still, sabi ko nga, baka si Leni Robredo na yung next president. Joke lang. Baka may pinangako sila na renewal ng kay ABS-CBN, di natin alam. But sabi nga ng bago pa may news, price precedes the news. Something is going on with ABS, and it's kind of good, as dito pa lang nung nabasag dito, it did retest that one. Still a buy dito, baka mag-retest ulit dito, that could still be a buy. Ilang percent na ba to? Tinaas na ito. $50% target guys, saktong sakto dito sa swing na to. So yun, kung na-hit na yan, baka doon pa lang mag-pullback. So watch out for this any pullback dito pag nauntog dito, as that would be the 50% target. Yan. But kung meron ka ng ABS, CBN dito pa lang or dito pa lang, then it's a good idea na mag-hold ka lang, as this one medyo maganda pa naman yung potential upside nito. Shell Corporation up by 3%. I don't see much anything dito, as this one is a kind of, ano ba yun? Parang ganito yung chart niya guys eh. It's trying to enter a top range, higher range. So yun, maganda naman kahit pa paano, as trajectory niya pa lang since July paakyat. This one, pwede pa to? 15%. Maglagay na lang kayo ng pause, ng stop loss dito. This one could be that one, and this one could be that one. Break below here, we are going down. Entry dito sa pag-angat nito, pwede yan to test the high of this range. Tagal ng downtrend yung oil stocks. Pwede to target guys up to 28 pesos. Tawin na naman natin dito, yan. And also dito 38.72. Quite the good upside for a very low risk entry. Position play to guys, di momentum. So yun, LPH spot natin yan at 20 pesos. We move on to Premier Horizon Alliance Corporation. When I first featured this here guys, sabi ko ay this is a downtrending stock, and yung red line yan pa din. Doon ako nag-aabang for a nice bounce play. But sabi ko nga kasi it potentially form a double bottom nung may pag-bounce dito. Ito yung bounce play na maliit lang. Yan. But na-reject agad sa 20 moving average. Burahin na nga natin. And I will plot again the... Saan ko ba nilagay yun? Dati 4.41 yun. So nung sabi ko nag-double bottom, ano ba yung mas gusto nyo? Double bottom or bottomless? Ito na nga yata yung bottomless split niya guys. Pabalik dyan. As nag-breakdown na from that double bottom. Still, may hope naman. Mag-green candle to bukas. Then, pag bumalik pa yan dyan, maganda pa din naman. Baka failed low, di natin alam eh. So, abang na lang tayo. But this one more on the bear side na as this broke out from a swing, dalawang swing na yung binasag niya. Yun guys, 4 pa. Double bottom or bottomless. Kung bumili ka man dito, then pinili mo yung bottomless. So let me discuss about my indicator, the pivot indicator. As pivot points tend to be price magnets, and untested pivots like this one tend to be retested eventually. Like this one, diba? Hindi siya na-test. And dito, na-retest niya before it went back lower. The same thing with this one is this one, yan. And we almost accurately hit that price. Now we're seeing signs of rejection. But still guys, house, maganda pa din naman. And yun lang yung gusto kong i-point out on when I give a potential target. Like when I gave potential targets kay DD and LTG back then, I mentioned the potential targets And na-amaze ako at sometimes very accurate yung pivots talaga. So that's why it's my indicator of choice. And I've been using it for a while now. So yun na nga, like I said, the untested pivots will be retested soon, anytime. So ito, untested pivot could be tested din eventually, but not now, as kind of pataas pa naman yung momentum neto. So we do not know, but yun na nga, pag dito na untested pivot ay could be a good buying area. And dito naman kasi wala tayong shorting, could be a good selling area, as we see here na yun, naging selling area. Dito nakita nyo yan, also a selling area. Yun na yung pivot indicator. So yun, any retest pa din naman below up to dito can still be a good buy. Pabalik, baka mag-form lang siya ng kanyang handle, as this one parang cap na nga, baka mag-form lang ng cap and handle in the following days for house. That is it for today, kind of flat and boring. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.